All right, huge value bomb coming from my boy Bojan. This is the second one he's given us. If you don't know, Bojan is the dude that gave us the UTM script insertion code thing. I've got another video on it. But he just dropped this in a YouTube comment. I just love the idea. So what he said was, if you're watching a video and you see an ad, like I see an ad. So I'm watching my Joe Rogan video. I'm a big Joe Rogan fan, by the way. If you don't like that, I don't care, because you should be too, because he's awesome. But you're watching your J-Ro video, and all of a sudden you see an ad. And what Bojan is saying is you should keep a swipe file of the videos that your competitors are running. So this isn't a competitor of mine. I don't know who it is, actually. Oh, yeah, that's funny. It's a kind of weird woo content network that I was researching because we have a client that's a competitor there. So that's funny. Anyway, Gaia.com is running this video, and let's say that they're a competitor of mine and I want to keep a swipe file like Bojan's referencing, which, I mean, there's so many really cool applications for that. But if you want to build that library, it's hard to figure out where this video lives because most of them are unlisted. So what he says is you right click, you say stats for nerds, and then over here we can get our video ID. And if I've got the video ID and I can't copy it, so I think what I'm going to have to do is just type it in like a Neanderthal. So let me just go do that real quick. I'm going to pause this. All right, I did it, and I'm awesome. So you can see MHHXUBYF9RO, and then I come over here and I've got MHH, all that. You can see it. But here's the video, which is so freaking cool, and I'm just mad that I didn't know that. I'm mad that I didn't know that. So now I've got Gaia's video. It is unlisted. And then what's kind of cool too is if you've got a client or a competitor that for whatever reason has monetization enabled on their channel, you can actually target videos individually, and you can say, hey Google, I want ads on this video. So you can actually put ads. Not that anybody would see the video because it's unlisted, but if it were listed, if they're using a listed video, then you could actually put ads on the video that they're using for ads, which is like Inception-worthy competitor targeting. But there's a bunch of other reasons to have these videos accessible to you too. One of them, I think, is you get to see the number of video views. So you get to see like how expansive this video is getting, what the responses have been. So as an unlisted video to have 1 million views, that means that these people are like melting this video and they're putting a lot of money behind it, which means it's a really well qualified video. So now you know what content to go off of and to borrow from or whatever. So oh, and incidentally, you need to put the code into the normal YouTube query string. So youtube.com/watch, like that whole thing. I'll drop that into the description of the video too, just so you have it, because Bojan gave it to us. Anyway, big shout out again to our boy Bojan. I would do it. So if he had a website, I'd link to it. But this is a guy. He's just dropping value and not asking for anything in return. I offered to link over to his site or whatever if there's a way for us to kind of promote him too. So Bojan, get yourself a website, bro, because you've got some ninja strategies dropping. I bet you there's some people that want to reach out to you and chat with you and see what else you have going on. Thank you again for doing that, man. Really appreciate you. If you're watching the video, we drop one of these every day. Hopefully, I don't know that they'll all be as valuable as this one, but hopefully we'll continue to bring value every single day. We're trying to blow up. So like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the things, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.